story we are executed study. I was given the last program to take the numbers as an input, find out the largest number. Have you done? Yes. All of you got the output? A greater than B, B added B greater than C. अलग-अलग लॉजिक है, अलग-अलग लॉजिक लगा के आप अलग-अलग तरीके से उसे चेक कर सकते हो. That is the thing we are work out. So what the next story we have to do? What the next story we have to execute? अब जब हम लोगों ने उसमें वर्कआउट किया तो we come to know how if loop will execute. बेसिकली सी की अगर बात करें, जावा की बात करें और आपके पाइथन की बात करें तो देयर इज अ नो ओपनिंग ब्रेस क्लोजिंग ब्रेस वन थिंग एंड सेकेंड थिंग वी नीड नो नीड टू गिव अ सेमीकोलन ऑनली. इट्स अ ऑप्शनल एंटिटी. इफ यू विश टू गिव द सेमीकोलन यू कैन गिव द सेमीकोलन, else if you don't want to give the semicolon you can't give the semicolon. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, it's not mandatory, it's not compulsory to give. Now let's come back to the next thing. The next thing we have to execute today. We talk about variables. We talked about the variable. We talked about the if loop to take input from the console. Now we are moving toward the next concept, that is looping into the Python. Okay, we just want to talk about loopings into the Python. So looping means what? Loops mean what?
We do same work. We do
repeating
again and again.
the program again and again. Repeating the program again and again. Called as what? Loops. Called as what? Loops. We call it as an iteration. We call it as an iteration. So if you want to repeat the things again and again, then in that case we call it as an repetition or iteration. We call it as an repetition or iteration. We can do the iteration or repetition in numbers of ways. Okay. So there are the certain syntax given into your programming. That is, you may go for the execution of your for loop. You may go for the execution of while loop. You may go for the execution of do while loop. You may go for the execution of some other loops as well. Here if we are talking, so we just want to talk about a for loop first. Okay, हम लोगों को जो स्टडी करना है, हम लोगों को सबसे पहले क्या स्टडी करना है? फॉर लूप को. क्या स्टडी करना है? फॉर लूप को. सो हाउ वी कैन गो फॉर एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ फॉर लूप, हाउ वी कैन गो फॉर वर्किंग विद द फॉर लूप, what is the way we can write down the line of code, guys? Okay, so listen to me carefully. The first program we have to write down, write a program to print hello world 10 times. Okay, you have to write down a program to print hello world 10 times. मला काय करायचं आहे? प्रोग्राम लिहायचा आहे. कुठला? तर हॅलो वर्ड प्रिंट करायचा. किती वेळा प्रिंट झाला पाहिजे? 10 टाइम्स प्रिंट झाला पाहिजे. किती वेळा? 10 वेळा. सो व्हॉट वी कॅन डू, वी कॅन राईट डाउन द 10 प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट. असो नो राईट ना, फिजिबल आहे. तुम्ही 10 राहू शकता. मी म्हटलं 100 प्रिंट करायचे आहे तर मग 100 प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट लिहाल का? नाही. यू कॅन राईट डाउन द 100 प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट. फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी हॅव टू यूज loop. For that purpose we have to use loop. त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय वापरावं लागेल? loop वापरावं लागेल. And if you want to go for the execution of loop, how we can work out with the loops into the Python? What is the way to we go for the execution of loop into the Python? Let me explain you. If you want to execute the loop, you have to write down again for. What is the syntax in C for loop? For, yes, for. What is for? Initialization semicolon condition semicolon increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. First is initialization, second is condition, third is increment or decrement. How we can write down the for loop in C or C++ or Java? So if you want to go for writing the for loop in C++ Java, this was the syntax, and then we are write down opening brace and closing brace. Opening brace there one is closing brace there. This is the way we are work out now. So I want to work out with this different way. आता मला याला चेंज करायचं आहे, एक्झिक्यूट करायचं आहे different way. So how we can work out, how we can execute. So here if you are going in Python, what is the way to be go? What is the way to be execute? You have to write down for. Prem, please mute yourself. For I in range. I in range. Come again. For I in range. Come again. For I in range. Once again. For I in range. In bracket your start, comma, end. colon enter what the thing you want to do. Getting my point? What I write down here, for I in range, here you have to write down start, here you have to write down end, give the colon, click on enter, and whatever the statement you want to execute, you can write down that statement. You can write down, that statements that you want to execute. Whatever the line of code you want to execute, you can write down here. But for loop कधी सुरू होईल आणि कुठनं सुरू होईल? कोलन नंतर एंटर केल्यानंतर जिथे तुमचा एक्झिक्युशन पॉइंटर ब्लिंक करेल तिथे तुमचा फॉर लूप सुरू होईल. Am I clear guys? Here when you click enter, ही जी लाईन जिथे ब्लिंक करते ना कर्सर, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याच लाईनला, ह्याच लाईनला सगळे स्टेटमेंट तुम्हाला लिहावं लागतील जे तुम्हाला फॉर लूपच्या आतमध्ये वर्कआउट करायचे. ते असं चालणार नाही. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? क्लिअर का? हे ह्या वेळी वर्कआउट करणार नाही. आपल्याला सगळे स्टेटमेंट जे आहे ते फॉर लूपचे या कोलन नंतर एंटर केल्यानंतरच लिहावे लागतील. Am I clear? Guys, have you clear this one? So here is the simple story we have to write down. Here we can put this. Correct? Statements आपण इथे याच वेळी लिहू शकतो. Okay? That is the one terminology. Now let's go for the next one. How these things are going to be work out. Start म्हणजे काय? तुमचा फॉर लूप तुम्हाला कुठून स्टार्ट करायचा आहे. जसं फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही फॉर लूप मध्ये इनिशियलायझेशन वापरायचे सी मध्ये, राईट ना? आपण इंटिजर i = 0 म्हणजे i कुठून सुरू होईल? 0 पासून. i कुठून सुरू होईल? 0 पासून. Second, you write down semicolon condition, right? Now you write down condition and then increment or decrement. Same इथे पण 3 पॅरामीटर असतात. तसं पाहिलं तर here we can pass increment or decrement. Okay, decrement. This is a syntax of what? This is a syntax of for in Python. This is the syntax of for in Python. We have to write down for I in range in bracket. First is second, in third, increment or decrement. सांगा एकदा. What is the syntax of for loop? I ask you what is the syntax of for loop. तुम्ही काय म्हणताय? Start, comma end, comma increment or decrement. For I in range in bracket start, comma end, comma increment or decrement bracket complete colon enter. Getting my point? You have to answer like this. If anyone asks you what is syntax of for, sir, for I in range in bracket first is start, comma end, comma increment or decrement bracket complete colon enter.
Close.
Whenever your cursor is going to be blink, that is what? That is a for loop. That is a for loop. Clear? Okay. So that's the way we are going to be execute. That's the way we are going to be work out. Are you getting my point? Clear? How to go for loop? Now let me explain it with example. Syntax लक्षात ठेवा, नंतर नोट डाउन करून ठेवायचं आहे तुम्हाला. So what I can do here? I write down here 0. I write down here 10. I not put increment or decrement operator. आता तुम्ही इथे comma 1 लिहिलोय म्हणजे काय झालंय? If you write down here 1, it increment by. Getting my point? I plus plus नाही. 1 पास केला म्हणजे कितीने इन्क्रीमेंट होईल? 1 ने इन्क्रीमेंट होईल. And then just going to be write down here print in bracket double quotes hello world. And then we have to run it and check it what is the output it will give us. काय output देईल, कसा वर्कआउट करेल. See, hello world. How many times? 0 to 10 म्हणजे 0 पासून स्टार्ट होईल आणि 9 पर्यंत एक्झिक्यूट होईल. 10 पर्यंत एक्झिक्यूट होणार. एक्झिक्यूट लेस दॅन 10 आणि लेस दॅन 10 म्हणजे 9 आहे ना पहिला लेस. असं नो. सो लेस दॅन 10 मीन्स 9. इट विल एक्झिक्यूट टिल 9. 0 to 9 पर्यंत एक्झिक्यूट. पण 0 to 9 मोजले तुम्ही तर इट इज अ 10 ना. क्लिअर का? Is it clear guys? Okay. So execute this program fast. आणि याच्यामध्ये हा जो असतो increment decrement हा ऑप्शनल असतो. If you are not pass it, still it will by default take 1 as an increment. Clear का? Okay. Try to execute the first program. that is write down a program to go for increment or decrement, increment